Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into must-try recipes for specific dietary needs. Whether you're following a keto, paleo, low-FODMAP or diabetic-friendly diet, I've got something delicious for you, so let's get cooking. First up, keto. If you're cutting carbs, this creamy garlic butter chicken is a game changer. Start by seasoning chicken breasts with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Sear them in a hot skillet with butter until golden brown. Remove the chicken and add minced garlic, heavy cream and Parmesan cheese to the pan. Stir until it's smooth and creamy, then return the chicken to the skillet. Simmer for a few minutes and voila! Serve with steamed broccoli or zucchini noodles and, trust me, you'll love it. Next, let's go paleo with a hearty beef and veggies stir-fry. This one's packed with flavor and nutrients. Slice up some grass-fed beef and marinate it in coconut aminos, garlic and ginger. Meanwhile, chop bell peppers, broccoli and carrots. Heat some avocado oil in a wok, toss in the beef and cook until browned. Add the veggies and stir-fry until tender crisp. Finish with a splash of lime juice and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Delicious and clean. Now for my low FODMAP friends, try this lemon herb baked salmon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a salmon fillet on a parchment-lined baking sheet. In a small bowl, mix lemon juice, olive oil, chopped fresh herbs and a pinch of salt. Drizzle over the salmon and bake for 15-20 minutes. Serve with a side of sautéed spinach or roasted sweet potatoes. It's light, refreshing and kind to your gut. Finally, a diabetic-friendly dish, garlic lemon chicken with green beans. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, green beans, garlic, lemon and some basic spices. Season the chicken with paprika, salt and pepper. In a large skillet, cook the chicken until it's no longer pink. Add minced garlic and green beans, cooking until the beans are tender. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over everything and give it a good stir. Simple, tasty and blood sugar friendly. There you have it. 4 amazing recipes tailored to your dietary needs. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.